Hello everyone, I am Bhavna Singh. Welcome back to Insightonomics. So let's start the topic for today without a further ado. Particular video, we are going to derive the decomposition of the price effect into substitution effect and income effect, and we are also going to find the compensating variation in income. So let's start it. So as we know, like from our previous videos, when we have this type of utility function, you will get this type of demand functions, right? So now we have expression for it. So we can derive our x star and y star directly because our main theme to find out the price effect and the decomposition. Okay. So our income is 100. Our price of x is 2. So you'll get 25. Okay. So your x is equals to 25. We'll say this is your x1. And similarly, like we can also do this for the y. You will get 12.5 here. Okay. Now, but in this case, we are considering the price change with respect to x. Okay. Just to simplify the equation. So suppose like earlier as you have price of x 2, now your price of x has fallen down to price of x dash is equals to 1. Okay. अभी आपको चेक करना है. फर्स्ट विल चेक द ओवरऑल प्राइस इफेक्ट की प्राइस 2 था, 2 से 1 हो गया. इसका ओवरऑल क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड पे क्या चेंज हो इफेक्ट होगा, बिकॉज जब आपका प्राइस ऑफ एक्स 2 था तो आपका क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड क्या था, विल से x1 25. अब आपकी इनकम उतनी है लेकिन प्राइस फॉल हो गया, तो अब आपका क्वांटिटी डिमांड विल से x2 क्या होगा. सो विल solve it using our demand function like m by 2px dash, because we are finding our x2 at a new price. So you will get our income is 100, price 2, sorry, price is 1, you will get 50. So your x2 will be 50. So जैसे आपके प्राइस 2 से 1 हुए, आपका ओवरऑल जो है क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड ऑफ x2 इंक्रीज हो गया. So in a functional form we can write it that x1 is a function of price of x, price of y and your income. Here you can write it in this way. Price of x is 2, price of y is 4 and your m is 100. Okay. Your x2 is a function of x, price of x dash, and this dash represents the new price. Price of y, sorry, price of y nahi hoga because in our demand function there is no price of y, but at the original income. Okay. x2 we have derived at a new price, but our original at our original income. So we will get x2, sorry, at 1 and 100. And here it is equals to 25 and this is equals to 50. So this movement from 25 to 50 is represented by price effect. That is like आपका प्राइस 2 रुपए से फॉल करके 1 रुपए गया, आपकी क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड जो है चेंज हो गई 25 यूनिट से. 25 था अर्लियर कंजम्पशन और जो बढ़ के हो गया 50. Okay, so this change, so price effect depicts the this x2 minus x1, this effect which is equals to 25, or you will say 50 minus 25, you will get 25. So overall, like change in quantity demanded of x as a result of change in price is equals to 25. So ये हमको first मिल गया overall price effect. Now we have to look for the substitution effect and the income effect. So we have to decompose this particular price effect into substitution effect and the income effect. Okay. So first we'll consider it for the substitution effect. So, so in this case, we got this kind of demand functions. Price of x, sorry, price of y half, price of x half, overall u. So your level of utility remains constant. तो first half level of utility कैसे derive करते हो? This you have given this x half and y half. आप जो भी आपका x and y है आप उसको पुट करते हो. आपका x 25 है and your y is 12.5, right? We'll solve it. 5. We'll get 5 because 25 5 square of 5 and this 1 by 2. This 2 will cancel out, and in this case, so you will get here 3.53. Okay. Now I'll multiply this 5 into 3.53. So you will get your utility equals to 17.65. This is your utility or V var, maximum utility. Okay. Just wait. Now you can put all the values here to get the XC, effect of substitution on the demand of good X. So price of Y is 4, like this. Price of X is 2. Okay, we'll find it at a new price, right? So this will be 1 and your utility is 17.65. So 2 square 1 by 4 into 17.65. You will get 2 into 17.65. You will get 17.65 into 2, 35.3. Okay. So, as you know, your overall, okay, now we can write it. Your x1 is 25, your x2 is 50, and your xc, or you can call it x3, is 35.3. Okay. Now you can bifurcate the whole impact. So here movement from x to x1 to x2 is considered under the price effect. Okay, from 25 to 50. Movement from x1 to xc, that is 25 to 35.3. It is comes on this is comes under the price effect, substitution effect, and movement from xc to x2. This comes under income effect. Okay, so it's like when you do this minus as a price effect. Okay, let me write it here. Equal to substitution effect plus income effect. Your price effect is 25 minus 50. दैट आपके प्राइस में चेंज होने की वजह से कितना चेंज आया क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड ऑफ एक्स में. ओके, सब्सटीट्यूशन इफेक्ट इज 25 minus 35.3 plus this is 35.3 minus sorry minus 50. So when you solve it, you will get, okay, let me use calculator for this. 35.3 minus 25. You will get minus 10.3. Okay. And in this case, like negative sign bada hai, so you'll also get negative. It's like 50. So you'll get minus 14.7. So both the substitution effect is also negative, income effect is also negative. So your overall effect, which is equals to minus 25, is also negative. So this is the case of normal goods. Okay. So we have derived an expression for a numerical value for our price effect. We have also decomposed into substitution effect and the income effect. Okay.